In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing all-in-one gaming app using AI completely for free. Your app will run multiple games in one place, just like Poki.com. The best part, you will be able to easily manage all the games through the database. Whether you want to add new games or remove existing ones, you'll have complete control. And yes, if you want, you can even publish it on the Play Store and share it with the world. First, I'll give you a preview of the app and then I'll show you step by step how to build it. So if you also want to create an app like this and earn money, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. The first step is to create a database for our app. To do that, open your browser. Type this link and press the Enter key. Here you will find many templates, but you need to open the blank spreadsheet. First, type name in cell A1. In cell B1, type icon, and in cell C1, type link. After that, open a new tab. Type html5games.com and press the Enter key. Here you will find many games that you can use in your app. Open any game you want to use in your app in a new tab. After that, right-click on the game and copy the address of its image. After that, go to Google Spreadsheets. Write the game name in the cell below name. The image address we copied, just paste it below icon. Now go to the Game tab. And here click on the Play button. Now, as soon as the game starts, you might see ads on the sides. If ads appear, you need to remove them by editing the URL and removing that part. And now copy the URL of the game and paste it into the database. In the same way, add all the games you want to use in your app to the database. For now, I have added only 4 games here, but you can add as many games as you want. After adding the games to the database, click on the Share button. Type the spreadsheet name here and click on the Save button. Now, set its general access to anyone with the link. And now, click on the Copy Link button to copy its link. After copying the link, open Notepad and paste the copied link here. Now, you need to remove this line from the end of the link. And in its place, type this. After that, copy the full link and paste it into a new tab and press the Enter key. If the CSV file of the database gets downloaded on your PC, then it's fine. But if it doesn't, it means you must have made a mistake somewhere. Now type chat.deepseek.com and press the Enter key. Now, you will find this prompt in the description of the video. Copy it and paste it into DeepSeek. After that, replace link here with the link of the CSV file. Enable DeepThink R1 and press the Enter key. And now, within a few moments, DeepSeek will generate a code for you. As soon as DeepSeek provides the code, click on the Run button. And from here, you can preview your app. And here you can see that the same games added to the database are being displayed here. Now you need to click on the download button to download it. Now we will create a logo for our app using AI. For that, type ideogram.ai and press the Enter key. Now here type this prompt. Create a playful logo of an all-in-one game app. Then go to DeepSeek and type this prompt here. What is the color scheme of this website? And press the Enter key. And DeepSeek will give you the website's color scheme. Copy it. Now go to ideogram.ai and paste the color scheme there. And click on the Generate button. And within a few seconds, it will generate a logo for your app. Now, from these, choose the one you like and download it. After downloading, go to the Downloads folder. Rename the logo and the HTML file. Now we will create its APK file. For that, open a new tab. creator.kodular.io and press the Enter key. Now click on Create Project here. Type the project name and press the Enter key. Now type the name of your app here. And select a theme. Then type the package name. Now we need to select the colors here. For that, go to DeepSeek and copy the color codes it provided, then paste them here. And then click on the Finish button. Now click on the Asset Manager. And here, you need to upload the logo and HTML file one by one. After that, click on the Settings button. And here, in the icon section, you need to select the logo. Now scroll down a bit, and in the Splash Image section, select the logo as well. Now click on the Search button and search for Web Viewer here. And drag and drop the Web Viewer. Now you need to set its height and width to full. And now, in the Home URL field, type this. After that, go back to the Asset Library. And from here, copy the name of the HTML file and paste it here. Here, you will find Zoom Display and Zoom Enabled. Uncheck both of them. After that, click on Screen 1. Scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will find the Title Visible option. Uncheck that as well. After that, click on Blocks. And here, you need to select the exact same blocks as I am selecting. And now your app has been created. To export it, click on the Export button and then click on the Android app option. After a while, this screen will appear. Click on the Download App button and download it. And now you can upload it to the Play Store or any other platform. So now, let's test this app. Here you can see that I have installed this app on my mobile phone. So now let's open it. And here you can see that the app has opened, and all the games are being displayed here as well. Now let's open one of the games. And here you can see that the games are working properly. Now we will check whether, if we add a new game to the database, it appears in our app or not. You can see that I have added another game to the database, and now we will restart the app. And you can see that the game I just added to the database is now showing here. In the same way, you can easily add or remove any game from your app. If you like this video, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a lovely comment.